In the past decade, cloud computing has been gaining popularity at a tremendous rate. Some cloud providers are experiencing a growth rate of 50% year over year, which is just astounding. And the reasons for this growth are obvious. Cloud computing enables ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources, which can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal effort. As we know, Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform which offers a broad set of global compute, storage, database, analytics, application, and deployment services that help organizations move faster, lower IT costs, and scale applications. Along with the popularity of cloud platforms, another phenomenon which has been taking over the modern software and IT landscape is containerization. The use of container technology like Docker has grown dramatically within organizations of all sizes. But do you know what happens when you marry these two amazing technologies? The result is a massively scalable, robust, and flexible infrastructure solution. Do you know what it takes to make cloud computing and containerization technologies work together seamlessly? How do you deploy your code in containers and host it within the AWS cloud environment? How do you secure and scale these servers? How do you publish the apps supported by these technologies? These are some of the fundamental problems cloud architects struggle with on a daily basis. This course teaches you how you can use Docker to package your code, deploy your applications in these portable containers, and scale them using AWS ECS service in the AWS cloud. In this course, we will talk about AWS ECS and how can we configure the AWS ECS environment and integrate it with other AWS services. We will discuss AWS ECS features like container agent, tasks definitions, clusters in great depth. We will discuss the tight integration between AWS ECS and other AWS services, which makes this a very powerful platform. AWS services IAM, auto-scaling, ELB, EC2 container registry all work seamlessly with AWS ECS. Finally, we will look at how we can integrate AWS ECS with a sophisticated CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins. If you are serious about architecting, deploying, and operating containers and clusters in the AWS cloud, then this course is for you. These cloud and DevOps skills are in great demand, but there's no easy way to acquire this knowledge. Rather than rely on hidden trial method, this course will provide you with all the information you need to get started with your cloud and containerization requirements. Startups and technology companies pay big bucks for cloud engineers and contractors with the talent to set up these complex cloud infrastructures. They demand knowledge and experience in these cloud technologies, and in turn, you can demand top dollar for your abilities. Do you want the skills to be highly sought after? Do you want to touch Cloud 9? Did you answer absolutely to that question? If so, then our new training program, Run and Manage Containers in the Cloud with AWS ECS, is for you. My name is Arsh, an instructor at tetratutorials.com. We have been in the software industry for more than 2 decades. We've been part of many prestigious projects and startups. Over this span, we have gained great insight into what makes for flexible, scalable, and robust software solutions. We're passionate about sharing our collective knowledge with you. In this course, Run and Manage Containers in the Cloud with AWS ECS, you will get an in-depth look at how to design and deploy containers at scale in the AWS cloud. Do you want to take your career to the next level? Well, if you invest your time and bring in eagerness to learn, we guarantee you real, actionable education at a fraction of the cost you can demand as an IT engineer or consultant. We are confident your investment will come back to you many-fold in no time. So if you're ready to make a change and learn how to proactively and efficiently manage your cloud-based container infrastructure, click the Add to Cart button below. Still not convinced? Fine. What if I told you that you risk nothing by purchasing, run and manage containers in the cloud with AWS ECS? The course comes with our unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If you feel this course doesn't meet your needs, you just need to message us and we'll immediately refund your money. No questions asked. No hoops to jump through, no hard feelings. Look, if you are serious about becoming an expert cloud engineer and generating a greater income for you and your family, it's time to take action. Imagine getting that promotion which you've been promised for the last 2 presidential terms. Imagine getting chased by recruiters looking for skilled and experienced engineers by companies that are desperately seeking help. We call those good problems to have. Imagine getting a massive bump in your income because of your newly acquired in-demand skills. That is what we want for you. If that's what you want for yourself, click the Add to Cart button below and get started today with our run and manage containers in the cloud with AWS ECS. Let's do this together.